Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to continue with the lowrider Nissan hardbody. Let's begin. Let's continue with this build, this lowrider build. I already painted this area right here with the POR 15. I am going to continue with this side of the pickup truck. Now I am going to paint the frame that's on this side. I already painted the other one. This cowl area right there is going to get painted also black. Now the firewall it is going to get painted. I'm gonna try to reach as much as possible. I don't want to remove a lot of stuff. This area right here is gonna get painted. I need to remove again a bunch of stuff in order for me to paint it properly, clean all that surface rust and get it ready. Now I did get new fenders right there and the radiator support. Regarding the fenders, when you buy brand new fenders, they're coated with the e-coating. Now, it is very important that you don't place or you don't put the fenders just like this. Just paint the outside. No, you gotta prepare the inside also. Or if not, if you don't do that, you're gonna start creating rust inside the fenders. Okay, anything that you buy that's e-coated, you're gonna have to prepare it and paint it. So what I'm gonna do, I already sanded it down with maroon Scotch-Brite, and I'm gonna be spraying that POR 15, 3 coats of it inside the fenders and also the radiator support. Why am I doing that? Because if I don't, I would need to paint it. So I'm better off just coating it with that POR, because you will get rust coming from the inside of the part, in this case the fenders, and it'll go through towards your paint. So real good tip right there, guys. You need to paint it. So right now I did cover everything up on the outside of the fenders. I don't want any of that POR to go to the outside. I just need it inside. On this one, I do need it on both sides, so it is ready. It is sanded also. Now I know that it's taken a while for me to start on the bodywork, but I need to get this straightened out first. I am going, like I mentioned, I am painting the frame. I'm not removing the cab to paint the frame properly. That's the best way to do it, but it's just myself and I don't want a lot of work for me, for myself. So I'm not removing the motor also. That's why I'm gonna try to paint as much of the firewall as possible with that POR. So yes, that's how it's gonna go. Like I mentioned, I'm not painting the arms or anything because I am gonna put brand new suspension, front and back. So there we go. That's it. This is where we're at right now, and we are ready to start applying that POR on these items. So let's just clean the floor, wet the floor, clean the walls, get everything ready so that we can start applying it. It's time for that POR to go on and make these fenders right the way it's supposed to. That radiator support and all this section right here, everything is covered. We are ready to go. All I'm gonna do, come back with a microfiber towel, clean it with some acetone, just to make sure that all the contaminants are gone. Everything has been cleaned with acetone in a microfiber towel. So we are good, we are clean. Let's just go. I hope you guys don't mind me showing you the POR 15, the application as to where I'm applying it. I will get started on the body work and stuff. I'm trying to show you as much as possible as to what I'm doing from scratch. Okay, that's the reason I am showing you everything as to what I'm doing to this lowrider. This is the first coat of that POR 15 on all the areas that I needed that coating to be on. So I'm not going to show you, I'm going to be applying 2 coats. I'm not going to show you the other coat I'm going to apply. It's exactly the same thing. So let me just finish it up, and I'll come back once the second coat has been applied so that you can see it. 2 coats have been applied. That's more than enough to protect this these parts right there, the inside. So now I know they're protected. Everything here is protected, underneath is protected. There you go. Now after I get these dried, I can start assembling the radiator support. Now I am going to show you how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to weld it, and how I'm going to align it. So that's in the next video. So if you're not a subscriber, guys, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Also hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And also it's free, guys. Just hit that thumbs up. That tells me that you're enjoying these kind of videos and learning from them. So this is gonna be it, guys, for this video. Thank you very much. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you have a great week, and I'll leave you with this. Thank you, and like always, God bless.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every code a lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way.